Happy holiday, everyone! You've been a gracious guest for many years, but now it's your time to shine as a host for a holiday dinner. There's no need to worry because we got you covered with a simple, stunning holiday recipe that will wow you guests with minimal effort. We will show you how to make a mouth-watering marinated cranberry chicken paired with tender baby potatoes and side of spinach and stuffing. The chicken is juicy and flavorful with a hint of sweetness, tartness from the cranberry sauce. The potatoes are fluffy and buttery, and the spinach and stuffing add some texture and richness to the dish. It's a festive and satisfying meal that will make your guests think you are a master chef. So let's get started and show you how to make it. Begin by seasoning 8 pieces of chicken thigh with salt. Make sure to season under the skin. Also, season with fresh ground pepper. Set the chicken aside. To make the marinated cranberry sauce, add half a cup of fresh or frozen cranberries to a food processor or blender. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey to give the chicken extra sweetness, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. Grate the zest of 1 lemon. Slice the lemon in half and squeeze the lemon juice of half a lemon. Puree the ingredients together. As the ingredients are completely combined, you can now marinate the chicken. Add the chickens to a plastic or Ziploc bag. Pour in the marinated sauce. Give it a good shake to make sure the chickens are well coated. Enclose and place the bag in a refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight to marinate. After the chickens marinate, place them on a baking tray. Add another half cup of cranberries. Add about 2 tablespoons of rosemary to the chicken. Slice the leftover lemons from before. Place them over the chickens to give them a little more citrusy flavor. Bake for 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, then turn the chicken over and bake for another 10 minutes. Start by slicing 800 grams of baby potatoes in half. Place them in a pot and boil. Boil the potatoes until they are fork tender but not mushy. Drain, then saute them in a large skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. And season with salt and fresh black pepper. We also like to season them with garlic powder. Okay, this is a super easy stuffing recipe. If you enjoy store-bought stuffing and bacon as much as we do, you're gonna love this technique. You're pretty much following the cooking instruction on how to make the stuffing out of the box. Then divide 120 grams of stuffing into 4 equal parts and roll them each into a cigar. Next, you grab some bacon slices, cut them lengthwise in half. And wrap them around stuffing. It's that easy. Place them on a baking sheet or pan and bake them for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they are baked, you can use them as a garnish as well. We'll show you how it will be done later during the plating. And here comes the chicken. Look how succulent, tender, and perfectly roasted they are. We can't wait to eat them. Okay, let's start plating. Begin by adding sauce from the chicken. Next, add sauteed spinach, the yummy potatoes, the chicken, and let's place 2 pieces. Finally, add the bacon stuffing and rosemary to one end to serve as a garnish. We hope you enjoyed this holiday meal. It's a perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and savory flavors that will make your taste buds dance with delight. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes. And happy holiday!